So hello everyone, as you know that less than 15 days are left for your RBI Grade B 2024 Phase 1 examination. So let us look at what are the things you can do in these 15 days जिससे आपके मार्क्स शायद से बढ़ सके. What is the strategy, what is 15-day plan, सारी चीजें आज डिस्कस करेंगे. Okay? So let's begin our discussion with one very important notice from our side. In this last 15 days, we have launched a very special batch for all of you, and that you all are knowing about. We have received huge responses also from the student. If you don't know about this batch, this is a just 1 minute I'll tell you about the batch. It is nothing but GMCQ batch for RBI Grade B Phase 1 examination this year, in which we will have minimum 30 to 40 lectures only. The batch has already started. We will finish it before your RBI Grade B Phase 1 exam, which is happening on 8th of September. हमारी बैच टोटल अगर आप देखते हो इट इज फिनिशिंग ऑन 31st of August ओनली फॉर योर काइंड इन्फॉर्मेशन. सो देयरफॉर वी विल फिनिश ऑल योर 2000 MCQs which we are going to give in your overall GA MCQ batch. These MCQs are based on 1000 MCQs for ESI current affairs, 600 for general awareness and 500 plus for banking and finance. Okay. One more thing is there for all the students जिनके पास GA के लिए रिवीजन करने के लिए PDFs नहीं है. Again a second very important thing. We have launched revision pack for regulatory bodies. 3 only magazines are there. One magazine for government schemes covering January 2024 to August 2024 government schemes. One magazine for PIB covering January 2024 to August 2024 PIB, and one for current affairs covering January 2024 to August 2024 current affairs. Both of these courses are less than your 1500 rupees. So therefore go and check them out. Now let us talk about these 15 days. You all know we are having 15 days with us. In this 15 days on an average, any person can study if he is really an ardent RBI Grade B aspirant. At least 15 days तो वो study करेगा. That also for your at least 8 to 6 hours. If you see at 8 to 6 hours for these 15 days, definitely आप अगर on an average 8 hours if you are studying for 15 days, you are having 120 hours with you. These 120 hours are nothing but 7,200 minutes and almost 4,32,000 seconds. Now why I'm telling you the overall timetable and the countdown based on your hours, minutes and seconds. क्योंकि कभी कभार 15 days हमको बहुत कम लगते, but mind you we are having 120 hours with us on a minimum basis. Now there are certain students who are preparing full time, जिनके पास ये 120 पूरे यार 15 दिन के लिए एक दिन में 8 घंटे तो पढ़ ही सकते हो, right? Similarly, there are certain students who are working professional. Now I can understand their pain point. जॉब भी अगर वो 9 घंटे कर रहे, 9 hours they are studying, definitely they are having less number of hours in their hand. That is why they will have half amount of the time as compared to the full time student. तो उनके पास 60 to 70 hours है. Now how to utilize this duration better? Remember in the last 15 to 10 days, what are the things not to do? This you should know better. आपको ये पता होना चाहिए क्या करना है, उससे बेटर ये पता होना चाहिए कि आपको क्या नहीं करना है. पहले तो ये है preparing from scratch. Please don't prepare anything from scratch. If you have not completed any section, any part of syllabus, अगर कोई एक पार्ट आपने अगर कवर नहीं किया है तो उसको छोड़ दो. आप शायद से जितना आपने कवर किया है उसके तरफ आप कॉन्सेंट्रेट करो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल राइट नाउ start doing revision of general awareness. For example, RBI circulars, PIB, government scheme. Suppose there is certain RBI circulars which you have not completed. My here guidance to you would be, rather than running after that RBI circular, first you keep a priority of daily revision, daily practice of quant reasoning, daily revision of general awareness, and then you can take out extra time to cover that. अगर अभी आप कोई भी चीज स्क्रैच से स्टार्ट कर रहे हो, लास्ट 10-15 दिन में आपका क्या ही हो पाएगा उससे, बिकॉज जो आप पढ़ोगे वो शायद से आप भूल जाओगे, उसका आपको रिवीजन भी तो करना है. यू हैव टू डू रिवीजन ऑल्सो. रीडिंग न्यू नोट्स, नो. Now there is a time when everybody is looking out for, okay, GA notes, I need GA notes. I also told you that we have launched GA magazines for all of you. So if you are not having any notes and if you need notes for revision purposes, definitely go check out the magazines. But creating or running after new notes, that's a thing which I will definitely tell you, don't do that. If you yourself only are having the notes which you have made, that's really great. If you are having notes with you, there is no problem. If you are not having, then definitely you should be getting new notes for you. Okay? And these notes definitely should be short, crisp. Our magazines are not 300, 400 pages. They're just 100-120 pages, and they cover all the sufficient news which is there for your last 6 months, all the current affairs. And second, one of the thing is that many of the students feel that ठीक है भाई, mock test and revision के लिए मेरे पास वक्त ही नहीं है. So remember, very importantly, last 15 days you should be doing only 2 things. First is revision, whatever you have read in this last 6 months, and second thing is giving multiple mock tests. These mock tests may be topic wise test for the topics or sections you are weak at, or maybe full length mock test to know your overall performance in overall phase 1 exam. Now let us look at the 15-day timetable for all of you. So approximately 15 days are there. I have given it from 23rd of August, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 1st September, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th. Okay. If you look at all of these days, last 2 days you can give it definitely for complete revision. Here in this, whenever I am telling you, every third day you have to give a full length mock test. One full length mock test you have to give. Okay, empty. Other than that, let us see how we are doing it. So 2, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm taking here 7 to 8 hours we are taking on an average. Okay. So here also for GA revision actually we will be, sorry guys, GA revision actually we will be requiring 2 hours here. So 6, 7, 8 hours are there. Here also 2 hours. GA revision should be given 2 hours. So what you could do is that now start studying alternatively for quant as well as reasoning. So दिन में एक दिन में आपका quant तो होना ही चाहिए. If quant you have already completed, practice also, and reasoning also you have completed the practice as well as conceptual part, start solving the mocks or practice tests related specifically to quant. So finish the quant daily. You can give 2 hours to quant now. Practice as much as questions you can. Try to solve the questions within the time. That is very, very important. Similarly for reasoning also, you can give almost 1 to 2 hours and you can try to solve the MCQs. So quant, reasoning, almost together you can give 4 hours for your practice, mock test and analysis also, and again practicing and going through the concepts for the topics which you are not able to solve the questions within time. PIB and government scheme revision, which is very, very important. This should be given again 2 hours. 2 hours for PIB and government schemes revision. Throughout every day, you should be giving this. Do it in form of magazines or do it in form of your notes, however you have completed. If you don't have any revision source, the only solution now which can save you is these revision magazines. These are at very lucrative prices, 999 only. That means 1,000 rupees. Go check it out. So once you are finishing your PIB and government schemes, 1 hour should be dedicatedly given to your finance current affairs. This finance current affairs also includes RBI circulars. There will be many questions on RBI circulars. Confirm questions are there. So this you should be giving almost 1 hour. If you are weak in RBI circulars, you can even give more time. Then GA revision, when I'm talking about again, this is the international, national reports, indices, awards, obituaries. These are those questions which are having high ROI. Once you do it properly, for example, awards. If you are doing awards, 1-2 घंटा बैठ के अगर सारे awards कर लोगे last 6 to 8 months के, you are done. कोई भी question आएगा, you will get the marks. So in this way, that's why give every day 1 hour for your GA revision, and then reasoning also you give similarly 1 to 2 hours. Remember that every third day you can give full length test, and for quant and reasoning you can give alternate days mock tests. Okay, so every third day, and if you are comfortable every second day also you can give. तो आपके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है. If you are concentrating more on revision, अगर आपकी सारी चीजें इतनी ज्यादा याद नहीं रहती है, so what you can do is that आपके overall 15 जो आपके days है, second day, every second day you do a revision, third day you give a mock test. If your revision is better, if whatever you have done, you have notes with you and you properly have revised everything, you remember everything, then you can give every second day also mock test as I have shown in the table. Take a screenshot of this table, it will definitely help you. आपको at least आप track कर पाओगे what you have to do for your phase 1 examination. So this was overall for phase 1 examination. One more thing is there. if you are not able to dedicate time for quant reasoning and English, this will happen for the people who are working professional, तो उसके लिए आप रिवर्स इंजीनियरिंग का यूज करो. आप रिवर्स इंजीनियरिंग कैसे कर सकते हो? सॉल्व एज मच एज क्वेश्चंस ऑफ डिफरेंट टॉपिक्स फॉर क्वांट एंड रीजनिंग इन योर sectional mock test, practice mock test, or your full length mock test. If you are not able to solve the questions, or if you are making the answers wrong, then go back to the solution. From that solution, understand that particular concept. Then again go back to that particular topic. Suppose एक time speed distance का question है. You are not able to solve that time speed distance question. Go back to that type of question of time speed distance. Find out more concepts, similar questions related to time speed distance. In this way, definitely it can help you for your overall preparation. Last thing to tell you guys, yes, with this one more important notice I'll give you to all. If you are an RBI grade B aspirant and up till now you are still there in this particular video, one notice I'll give you. IRDA Assistant Manager 2024 notification is out. The syllabus is 80 to 90% same. Only फेज 2 में जो आपका फाइनेंस एंड मैनेजमेंट होता है उसकी जगह पर इंश्योरेंस एंड मैनेजमेंट इज देयर. And phase 2 is completely descriptive where you have to write the answers. So this is the opportunity for both RBI grade B aspirants also and UPSC aspirants also. तो छोड़ना मत, start keep your preparations going on. फाइनेंस की जगह पर जब बस हमें इंश्योरेंस कवर करना है, that's it. Okay, so thank you very much and see you next time.